Well, it's 102 in the shade today, 115 heat index. And this morning my truck didn't want to start. So I had to go back to the old faithful. But I'm wondering if it's a similar grounding issue as what the other 2500 has. Because, okay, I was getting quite a bit of arcing on this when I hooked it up. Well, yeah. Got a little bit there. Go over here and turn the headlights off on this thing. AC off. Get as much charge out of it as I can. Radio off. AC off. Headlights off. Okay. This truck's been sitting 4 days now. I didn't drive it all weekend, so I'm thinking maybe it just I did have a charger plugged in till I noticed it Saturday, and I think that's when I unplugged it. But let's see what happens right now. Put the key in. Yeah. Okay, I had nothing a while ago, so then I hit it a while ago, a few minutes later, and I had a click. It's getting better. It's building up. That battery's dead as a door now, though. Let me roll this window down. Might make it a little bit easier to get in and out of here. I couldn't even unlock the doors a while ago. Alright. Take those out, leave in the seat. The battery is dead as that. It's gonna have to charge for a few minutes. So I don't see any spark at all on that. It may not be working. And get a little bit of a current draw on it. I could just turn the headlights on. Yeah, headlights are on. Now see if it's got a little spark to it. Oh yeah, there we go. So it is charging. That's kind of odd. Lights went back off. And I've got it to the on position. Yeah, there's something loose or something there. Let's see. There we go. Alright, let's leave that like that and let it charge for a little bit. Alright, check back in a few minutes and we'll see what's going on. Thanks for watching.